Okay, so if you run a laundry business, you know the sound of that phone ringing off the hook. You know what a mountain of paper orders looks like, and you've definitely had that feeling that there's got to be a smarter way to do all this. Today, we're going to dive into how a custom-built digital solution from Goteso can turn that, well, let's call it what it is, daily chaos into complete control. No, seriously, just pause and think about that for a second. Imagine orders flowing in while you sleep. A perfectly optimized schedule for all your drivers with absolutely no guesswork. And customers, they know exactly where their laundry is every step of the way without ever having to call you. And look, this isn't some far-off fantasy. This is the new standard for a successful laundry service. I mean, let's face it, we all live on our phones now. We order food, we book rides, we manage our entire lives with just a few taps. And your customers, they're starting to expect that same effortless convenience from you. This huge shift in how people do things is a golden opportunity, and with the right tools, you can absolutely grab it. But before we can talk about the solution, we've got to get real about the problem. For way too many businesses, the whole operation is still kind of stuck in the era of phone calls and paper logbooks. And that manual system, it's not just old-fashioned, it's actively holding your business back.
You know how it is. It's your busiest time of day. A call comes in, you jot down a note, but then it gets buried under a pile of receipts. And just like that, poof, that's a lost order, that's lost revenue, and honestly, a customer who probably isn't going to call you back.
And then there's the delivery puzzle, right? Without a smart system, your drivers are out there playing this crazy game of Tetris with their routes, trying to be in 3 different places at once. What's the result? Late pickups, wasted gas, and you guessed it, unhappy customers.
And what about the money? You're juggling handwritten tickets, you're chasing down payments, you're trying to make the cash drawer add up at the end of the day. Every single one of those steps is a chance for a costly mistake that just chips away at your profits and, even worse, your customers' trust.
Now, think about your team for a second. They're working incredibly hard, but the system itself is working against them. You hear it all day. Did you take this order? Whose turn is it for this delivery? All that confusion just leads to frustration and totally drains the energy from your staff. So all these little fires you're constantly putting out all day long, they add up. Every single one is costing you precious time, actual money, and the loyalty of the customers you worked so hard to get. This isn't just inefficient. Honestly, it's unsustainable. You know what's really cool about this slide is the story it tells. On the left, you've got a story of friction and frustration, but on the right, it's a story of seamless professional service. You're not just fixing problems here, you're creating a superior customer experience that literally keeps people coming back. So here's the real kicker. When your entire day is just consumed by this operational chaos, your business is just stuck. You can't even think about expanding to a new neighborhood or adding another van when your current system can barely handle what you've got today. You've basically hit a wall. Okay, so that's the problem. But the good news? The solution is actually pretty elegant, and man, is it powerful. A custom digital app isn't just some little add-on. It's the brand new operating system for your entire business. It gives you total visibility and total control, all from a single screen. And just look at how this completely transforms your day. The customer handles their own booking. You see everything at a glance. Your team gets clear, automated assignments, and the customer is kept in the loop and happy with updates. I mean, this is a total game changer for your efficiency. Now, building this kind of seamless system, it really takes expertise. This isn't something you can just buy off the shelf. And that is exactly where specialists like Goteso come into the picture. They design and develop these powerful app solutions from the ground up specifically for the unique challenges of the laundry industry.
And this right here, this breaks it down perfectly. Each feature is a direct answer to a problem. Real-time tracking gives you total transparency, which gets rid of those, "Hey, where's my order?" calls. Secure digital payments mean you get your money faster, with no mistakes. And that admin dashboard, that's your new command center. The reality is, the future of the laundry business is already here, and it's digital. Your competitors are either making this change right now, or you can bet they're planning on it. So embracing this tech isn't just about modernizing, it's about claiming your spot as a leader in your market. So, what does this all actually lead to? A real, measurable difference to your bottom line. You can process way more orders with almost zero mistakes. You deliver faster, more reliably. You build a professional brand that people trust and want to recommend. You're not just treading water anymore. You're finally set up to scale.
Ultimately, the way forward is all about taking action. It's time to stop fighting with an outdated system and start building a smarter, more profitable business. You can take your laundry service to a whole new level by partnering with the experts who can build your digital future. So the only question left is, are you ready to grow?